The 2026 Suzuki Carry camper van is redefining how we think about micro campers. Small in size but massive in functionality, this tiny powerhouse is built on the tried and true Suzuki Carry platform, now modernized for the adventurous traveler on a budget. Whether you're exploring mountain roads, slipping into a hidden beach camp, or just escaping the city for the weekend, the Carry camper is ready to go wherever you take it. At first glance, the new Carry camper doesn't scream for attention. But look closer, and the minimalist Japanese design begins to reveal its smart utility. The van's compact footprint, just under 3.4 meters in length, makes it nimble and easy to park even in urban environments. Ground clearance has been subtly increased, and a reinforced suspension means it's ready to take on light off-roading, gravel paths, and rural backroads. Under the hood, Suzuki continues with a fuel-efficient 660cc 3-cylinder engine, tuned for better torque and smoother low-speed handling. It won't win any races, but the Carry camper wasn't built for speed, it was built for dependability and economy. Mated to a smooth 5-speed manual or an optional CVT transmission, it offers up to 22 km per liter, keeping your road trip costs low and your footprint light. Step inside, and the transformation from mini truck to micro home becomes obvious. The cabin has been redesigned to maximize every inch of available space. Dual front seats are now more supportive, with upgraded cushioning and optional heating. The rear has been converted into a clever camper module, featuring a fold flatbed system that quickly converts from daytime seating to nighttime comfort. The camper interior is lined with warm wood veneer panels and LED strip lighting. On the driver's side, a compact kitchenette includes a single burner stove, a small sink with an electric water pump, and a 15-liter water tank. A pull-out drawer fridge runs off a compact lithium battery system that's solar-ready and recharges while driving. Storage is key in a small space, and Suzuki has maximized it. Overhead cabinets, slide-out bins under the bed, and rear compartments make organizing gear, clothes, and cooking essentials easy. There's even a pop-up roof option available, giving you additional headroom and ventilation when parked. Vent fans and optional side window screens help keep air moving on warmer nights. In terms of tech, the Carry camper gets a modest but modern 7-inch touchscreen with navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and USB charging ports. Safety features have also been improved over previous models, with dual front airbags, lane departure warning, rear parking sensors, and optional forward emergency braking, bringing it up to spec with today's microvan standards. What really sets the 2026 Carry camper apart is its customizability. Buyers can opt for a variety of camper layouts, including options with a bench-to-bed setup, rear awning accessories, roof racks, and external shower kits. It's clear Suzuki knows its audience, those who want a simple, reliable base for outdoor life without the high cost or bulk of a full-size campervan. For solo travelers, couples, or digital nomads craving flexibility, this is more than just a van, it's a gateway to freedom. With its low maintenance costs, exceptional fuel economy, and clever design, the 2026 Suzuki Carry camper makes van life more accessible than ever before. So whether you're chasing sunsets, working remotely from mountain trails, or just need a mobile escape pod for the weekends, this tiny titan might just be all the van you'll ever need.